Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Look who it is. Look who it is. Alright boys, so as you guys can see, this will be the setup for tonight. Nothing back there. Got a Hellcat pulling up on us right now. Mr. Good Boy. Oh yeah, that's up, that's up. What's up, my brother? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Good.
Damn. Hey, you're coming to the meet, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, bet. This thing is fucking sick. Oh yeah. Got a nice little mob tonight, boys. There he is. You got lost? Hey, we just took out the seats today. Or for the most part, kind of. Look.
This rap is crazy.
I appreciate that. See? We didn't finish. I gotta do the front seat too.
I'll be yelling out, gang, gang.
Alright. We have the TRX, Hawk, and a Hellcat right here. Look at this, guys. Crazy ass lineup for tonight, boys. I think it's sick. You guys let me know what's the best car in the set. What's up, brother? You coming to the meet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, bet. Okay. Crazy ass mob tonight. Guys. Oh no. Hi.
Time to leave.
What do you say? Time to leave. Time to leave? Get off my vlog. Oh my gosh, bro. Yep, it's time to go.
Wait, you said time to leave.
Alright, who's getting put over first? 3, 2, 1, not it.
Not it.
You, bro.
Not it.
Alright, so let's go straight to the meet.
We're gonna go to eat.
Alright, you guys have fun. Alright, well, you're not? No, I'm going to the meet. Look at that, boys. Freaking police are bored already, bro. Are we getting an escort right now? I think so. Yeah, we're getting an escort. Oh, now they're leaving. Now they're escorting us. Yep. Wow. Look at that, boys. Look at that big body TRX right next to us. That thing is crazy, bro. Guys, we're gonna see if we can make it there with half a thing of gas. I don't know where that cop's at. Yeah, he's back there. You can see him back there. Look at that. We have Scat Pack. I think Scat Pack, Hellcat, Durango, TRX, Trackiana, and then more Hellcats behind me. This Hellcats and Trackianas literally, bro. It's like freaking Lil Durk music video in real life. But yeah, I think I see the cop back there. So objective to not get pulled over. And if you guys look back there, we have nothing back there. Nothing. Look at that. Trackiana. Hellcat. What's up? Let's go, boys. Let's go. Invasion, bro. My seat's not even freaking, look at that, my seat's not even like in place. I got you, bro. Peace out. Yo.
Hey, there's a CHP right there, so be careful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's already about to pull us over. Don't worry.
All right, bro.
All right.
All right.
Alright boys, as you can see, we're currently 11 minutes away. We're 10 minutes away. All right, boys. As you can see, we just put up right now. Look how packed this is. So we have this car, this car, this car, this car. So when they have to leave, we're all gonna have to move. Bro. All right, boys. So we're gonna go explore. I don't know how much I can record because we're playing copyright music. So I'm gonna have to like, damn, we got the whole setup over there. But yeah, I'm gonna try to record some clips for you guys. Let's go. Guys, look at this.
Brian Bixie at Cars and Copters, bro. Where was he at, bro?
Bro, I was
You was hiding.
I was
hiding, bro. You was hiding, bro. You was hiding, bro.
No, I wasn't. I was outside the whole time.
I heard people got on their knees for the shirt, huh?
Yeah, that shit was crazy. And you think it was worse than Car Week?
Yeah, a little bit. Like, it's like in this row right here, the cars.
Alright, bro.
But yeah, I'm gonna go check it out.
Take care, man.
Y'all enjoy. Alright. What the? Is this a wrap or is this marker? Is this a marker or what is this?
It looks like whiteboard marker or something.
Yeah, look like it. He's bold. He's bold for doing that. He's bold. All right, boys. So I'm gonna record some cars for you guys. We have a slammed G80 right here. Hold on. We have a freaking stock G80. I'm gonna have to like talk a lot or kind of talk over this just because the music is very much copyright. So I'm gonna try to my best to not get freaking copyright striked on this video. But guys, where the homies at, bro? I'm supposed to like have hella homies pulling up right now, but look at that Hellcat. This is crazy. One thing I do like about this car though is the chrome wheels. The chrome wheels on this are freaking sick as fuck, bro. You guys let me know, should we do this? Look at that. Those things are fucking shining, bro. And he has the carbon fiber hood too. Damn. Guys, I need a lip. But if I get a lip, I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be like cooked. And he has a side skirt too. This thing is very, very clean. Look at that. That's hella sick, bro. Shit. The fast boy's pulling up right now. Hold on, let's hop over. We got another Hellcat right here. Alright, boys, so we're probably gonna like vlog over here a little bit more just because the music's not as loud. Look at that. Another Hellcat pulling up. Mustang, little Coyote. Bro, this thing is hella sick. Look at that. G80 right there. Guys, look at that. This is sick. Should I do this for my next mod?
She got it. She got it.
I'm trying to get electrocuted.
Let me throw it.
God damn.
That shit is so clean, bro. Guys, people are revving it right in front of the police. Like, people just don't care. Oh, bro, look at this. You guys looking at which Hellcat is correct. I got the Audi pulling up too. Okay, we got good boy parking. Hellcat, Audi R8. What in the world, bro? It's like a freaking just no rules. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna eat right now, and then by the time we get back, hold on, let me like adjust my lighting real quick. By the time we get back, I'm telling you, this In-N-Out's gonna be full. So here's like a before, and we're gonna go inside to eat, and then I'll show you guys the afterwards. But yeah, guys, a front lip makes such a big difference. Look at that. Front lip, no front lip. You guys can't really see it, but front lip, no front lip. It's like a really big difference. And then we have, of course, this Audi right here. Bro, we made it, bro. I'm surprised. It's taking like 30 minutes.
Yeah, I was about to pull up over there. I thought you were going to launch it over there. I was like, oh, fuck.
No.
Let me pull back around.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, but they wasn't doing that, so I was
No. All right, boys, as you can see, we're currently at In-N-Out again. This is the third day in a row at In-N-Out, guys. My intestines are fucking crying for help right now, bro. Straight bacon grease and just oils and all that inside of me right now. So, you guys know the drill. We're about to devour this, and yeah, I'll catch you guys after. Right now, we're trying to figure out what the plots are. I don't really know yet, so yeah, we're gonna figure it out. So far, we got me and then Audi R8, Mr. Audi R8 right here, and then another Hellcat as well. So yeah, we're gonna figure something out, guys. I'll let you guys know once we finish eating. All right, boys. So we just finished eating right now. Audi R8, Hellcat. We're about to get some gas, and then we're gonna go head to downtown LA and go get some content. In-N-Out was busting per usual, so let's go ahead and get this like miniature mob on the road. Oh yeah. I'll catch you guys at the gas station. Squeeze in. We good. Guys, look at this. Freaking seats just like chilling backwards. Ooh, oh yeah. All right, boys, as you can see, we just made it to the gas station right now. We're about to get some beautiful E85. Cat. Audi R8. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's see how much it's gonna cost to fill up. Roof nozzle. E85 ethanol. Stick it in the hole. Oh yeah. Come on. Why is it not working? Oh, I didn't freaking. There we go. All right. Boop. Let's go. Buddy, you're on camera duty. You do? I appreciate that. I'll let you get back to your photography. Bro, I'm just done with this conversation. Press E to exit. Look at that. We got the whips outside. Dear Bruce. Look at that, boys. We got the Hellcats leaving right now. It is currently 2:12. in the morning. Look at that, 2:12 in the freaking morning. We have a 30-minute drive home. Getting home at 2:44. Oops, 2:44 in the morning, boys. Look at that, boys. It has the red eye logo sticking out right there. Hey, drive safe, bro. Drive safe.
Okay, brother.
Yo, we have the Trackhawk right there, TRX right there. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure you leave a like, comment. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.